Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand complex networking topics. Are you preparing for the CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate exam? Here are some top tips to help you succeed. First, understand the exam structure. Get familiar with the exam format, including the types of questions like multiple choice, multiple selection, drag and drop, and performance-based labs. Knowing the topics covered will help you create an effective study plan. Next, create a personalized study plan that works with your learning style and schedule. Focus on both your strengths and weaknesses, giving more time to the areas where you need improvement. Use quality study materials. Invest in high-quality resources like Cisco Pressbooks, online courses, and official Cisco training materials. Make sure they are up-to-date and relevant to the current exam version. Hands-on practice is crucial. Engage in lab exercises to gain practical experience with Cisco devices and the Cisco Command Line Interface, or CLI. This will help you understand network configurations and troubleshooting. Also, focus on mastering subnetting. It's a critical part of the CCNA exam. Practice converting between binary and decimal notations, and create subnetting tables for quick reference during the exam. Regularly take full-length practice exams to simulate the test environment. This will help you get used to the question format and manage your time effectively during the actual exam. Review and revise your study materials and practice exam results continuously. Identify areas that need more attention and adjust your study plan accordingly. On the day of the exam, stay calm and focused. Make sure you're well rested and have a clear mind. Use any tutorial time before the exam to jot down key concepts on the provided laminated paper for quick reference. During the exam, use a strategic question approach. Eliminate obviously incorrect answers to narrow down your choices, improving your chances of selecting the correct answer. By following these tips and dedicating time to both theoretical study and practical application, you can enhance your chances of passing the CCNA exam and advancing your networking career. Good luck. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.